how to use notes feature on Photoshop. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So add notes. Notes is a very pretty good feature on your document. So it will save any of the information that you want to save on your document in the form of a note. So note is a very good feature. So first of all, you have to go into the eyedropper option, and there is an option of note tool. So you are going to click on the note tool and put it wherever you want. As you go on the note tool, you can add any notes that say add HGF. So this is my note. I can view this note by going to Windows. As I go to Windows, then I have to scroll down to find the notes option. So this is the notes option. I have to click on the notes option, and I can edit this note any way I want. So if I want to hide this note, I have to go to view option, and as I go to the view option, there is a different kinds of option over here, all different kind of show ruler, and there's a different kind of so you have the screen mode, the standard screen mode, and over here you can also hide the notes from your video or so from your document. This is how you can use note tool on your Photoshop. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.